Hello, I'm Matthew Zabawa, head of product at WebBuy. I've got 15 plus years of experience in the automotive industry, both working within an auto group, working at Ford Motor Company, and most recently running the product for WebBuy Digital Retailing. I would like to present this year at Digital Dealer about creating green lights for your customers on your website, avoiding stoplights. The digital tools on a website um, are fragmented, don't talk to each other, don't provide that clear path to a sale kind of out of the box as they're configured. You have to work with them to get them to play nice together. We're going to go over training your sales AI agent to give green lights, leveraging your DR tool to further the customer engagement, what digital merchandising really boosts the conversions, and the pitfalls of a standalone trade tool, how to avoid those, and provide that clear path to the sale and give you happy customers that convert at a much higher rate.